Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Hydrating your skin is so important, and Reflectionz Cosmetics has helped me to see that you can even do it starting with the very first step, cleansing your face. The first thing that I noticed about this cleanser was that it had more of a creamy texture. It wasn't watered down at all. And then when I went to go cleanse my face, it was really soothing. It felt almost like you were putting moisturizer on your face while you were cleansing it. So after I dried my face, it felt so soft. It really felt like a baby's bottom. I also liked how it had natural ingredients in there like vitamin E and jojoba. But at the same time, even though it was moisturizing to my face, it didn't cause my face to be oily in the T-zones. So if you're ready to add a little bit of moisture in your life, something that's comforting and soothing, I highly recommend this product. I really enjoyed it, and that is just my point of view.